Hi everyone, I'm Gurpreet and I'm going to talk about this product I got from Amazon.
HUESLAND by Ahmedabad Cotton 144 TC cotton bed sheets for double bed with 2 pillow covers. The bed sheet size is 88 by 96 inches. Good enough for a standard double or queen size bed.
HUESLAND by Ahmedabad Cotton gives you multiple choices of bedsheet, but this one is my favorite.
This is a grey and yellow bed sheet with grey and yellow tinges on each.
Out of the 24 hours that we have, 8 hours are spent in sleeping. Now imagine sleeping on a bed sheet which is not going to be comfortable or
Breathable and made for Indian climates. It also has long-lasting softness, vibrant designs, it is lightweight and very easily maintained at home.
What I liked about the brand is you get 2 pillow covers matching with the design and they are contrasting. So now you don't have to go out in the market and hunt for pillow covers which will look good with your bed sheet. HUESLAND bed sheets can also be very good gifting options. Since they come with 2 pillow covers, they're 100% cotton and made in India. If you're looking for an Indian brand of bed sheets which will brighten up your whole bedroom, give you cotton bed sheets, this is the brand that you should definitely buy. Buy it from Amazon.